Welcome to Montreal, a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and modern charm. Whether you're here for the sights, the food, or the festivals, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the must-see attractions and activities that will make your trip unforgettable. First up, Old Montreal. Stroll through cobblestone streets, admire stunning historic architecture, and don't miss iconic landmarks like the Notre-Dame Basilica and Place Jacques-Cartier. This charming district feels like stepping back in time, a perfect start to your Montreal adventure. Next, take a break from the hustle and bustle at Mount Royal Park. Whether you're into hiking, biking, or just relaxing, this green oasis offers stunning panoramic views of the city. It's the perfect spot to recharge and enjoy Montreal's natural beauty. For nature lovers, the Montreal Botanical Garden is a must-see. Wander through beautifully curated gardens including Chinese, Japanese, and rose gardens. Don't forget to check out the seasonal events, there's always something blooming. If shopping is your thing, Sainte-Catherine Street is a must. From high-end brands to local boutiques, this bustling street has it all. It's the perfect place to find unique souvenirs and indulge in some retail therapy. For a taste of Montreal's trendy side, explore Plateau Mont-Royal. This neighborhood is packed with cafes, bars, art galleries, and vibrant street art. It's a great spot to hang out, grab a coffee, and soak in the creative energy of the city. Sports fans, don't miss Olympic Park. Visit the iconic Olympic Stadium, explore the Biodome, and take a ride on the Ferris wheel for some incredible views. It's a fun and interactive way to experience Montreal's sporting history. Next, head down to the Old Port. Whether you're strolling along the waterfront, renting a bike, or hopping on a boat tour, this area offers a laid-back vibe with plenty to do and see. Montreal is a city that loves to celebrate. Here are some of the festivals you won't want to miss. Montreal International Jazz Festival, one of the largest jazz festivals in the world, featuring over 500 concerts by international and local artists. Pop Montreal, showcasing emerging artists and bands from around the world, this music festival is a must for music lovers. Just for Laughs, the largest comedy festival in the world with international comedians and stand-up acts that will leave you in stitches. Montreal Fringe Festival, a theater festival featuring a variety of performances from emerging artists. Montreal International Film Festival, one of the most prestigious film festivals in North America, screening films from around the world. And don't miss other fun events like Montreal Rib Fest for barbecue lovers, the Montreal International Fireworks Competition, and the Festival du Voyageur, a winter celebration of French-Canadian heritage. Of course, no trip to Montreal is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Try the iconic poutine, French fries topped with cheese curds and gravy, savor a smoked meat sandwich at a local deli, or grab a famous Montreal bagel. And don't forget to treat yourself to a sweet beaver tail, a deep-fried pastry topped with your favorite flavors. For more restaurant recommendations, check out the description below. Looking for a place to stay? Old Montreal offers boutique hotels with historic charm, while Plateau Mont-Royal provides a trendy, affordable vibe. If you prefer convenience, downtown has easy access to all the major attractions. From historic streets to vibrant neighborhoods and from mouth-watering cuisine to unforgettable festivals, Montreal truly has it all. Ready to explore? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Montreal must-sees in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.